My suffering country shall be freed, and shine with tenfold glory. So spake the gallant Winkle Reed, renowned in German story. No tyrant, even of kingly grade, shall cross or darken my way. Outflashed his blade, and so he made for freedom's course a highway. We want a man like this, with power to rouse the world by one word. We want a chief to meet the hour and march the masses onward. But chief or none, through blood and fire, my fatherland lies thy way. The man must fight who dare desire for freedom's course a highway. Alas, I can but idly gaze around in grief and wonder. The people's will alone can raise the people's shout of thunder. Too long, my friends, you faint for fear, in secret crypt and byway. At last be men, stand forth and clear for freedom's course a highway. You intersect wood, lea, and lawn with roads for monster wagons, wherein you speed like lightning drawn by fiery iron dragons. So do such work is good, no doubt, but why not seek some nigh way? For mind as well hath also out for freedom's course a highway. Yes, up, and let your weapons be sharp steel and self-reliance. Why waste your burning energy in void and vain defiance? And phrases fierce but fugitive, 'tis deeds, not words, that I weigh. Your swords and guns alone can give to freedom's course a highway.